So hello, welcome back again into my channel. I'm gonna create a video version of one of my tutorial from my website, which is how to check visitor country on Bricks Builder based on their IP address. So there are requirements here. The first is the Maxman database file. The second is access to team child folder. So I'm gonna use my local machine first, my local server. Then after all the file and the dependency file is load is already on my team child folder, I will go upload it onto my actual web server. The third one is the code editor software, which is I use the Visual Code. The fourth is Composer installed on the machine, on my local machine. Okay, so let's start by number one. Download Maxmine database file. You can get the file by registering for free Geolite to free geolocation data API. I think something like that. After you have an account, you can go to your account page, and in the download file menu you can download the Geolite to country file. You can just download the zip, and okay, this one, yeah, you will get this file and extract it until you have make sure to have the Geolite to country mmdb file. So that is that file contain the IP address and their country. All right. The second, okay. So the second is one here. Install Composer and GeoIP2 library. You can use you can download the Composer application from the getcomposer.org download. And just install it normally, but later you will have to choose where the path of your PHP application thing. So let's take here. I'm using Laragon, so my PHP app is here. So you have to choose where is your PHP application locate on your machine. And then let's move into okay, we can start after you get your Composer installed. Then the first is let's what's this, install the let's get the GeoIP PHP GeoIP2 PHP API into the team child folder. So let's go to my which one is that, my project, which is here, this one, team child. Okay, as a window user, go to just like put cmd into your address bar and it will open up. Then let's just copy this and copy. Yep. Okay, as you can see here, Composer already installed on my Bricks child team folder. There is a composer.par extension, and the next step is let's install the dependency, which is the GeoIP2. So just copy this and put here. Okay, right. Right, it said which one is that? I think it's already done. So let's take a look at our team child folder. Okay, there are new file now, the composer.log, composer, and we have a vendor folder which contain a GeoIP maxmine library. Okay, that's good. Next, create a function to get a current visitor IP, then check it based on the maxmine database. Okay, next step is to put your maxmine database in webpack content upload. Okay, so let's go to here, the mmdb file, copy it and put into your webpack content. In this example, I upload it to this one. I already have one actually, so let's replace it. Okay, then just copy this one, copy the function, and let's go to our function file. Let's put it, and then the vendor autoload. This is the vendor folder name, and we have the autoload PHP here. So make sure it's correct path. The path is correct. Alright, so that's all. Let's go to Bricks Builder and let's add some section and basic text. And use the okay, forget, I will use my website, this one. So just paste it like this. Germany? Why Germany? Because if you see here on my function file, now I'm using local server, and most of likely it will use 127.0.0.1 IP address. So I'm use this the example of the IP to check whether is it correct country or not. So this, I think this is the Germany. Let's find out like the Japanese IP address. I think this one. So let's put this and let's check again. Yep, it's Japan now. Alright, so on the web server, the actual web server, it will not use this. Instead, it will use this to check the current IP address, user IP address. So let's go to let's say my library dot. Okay, I have to log in first. Wait. You now what you have to do is you can just upload this file into your webpack content upload folder into your server, which I already did. Upload here, this one, and then go to your theme child folder and upload the vendor folder, composer JSON, composer log, composer var, and then the function you we add before. Look, can use to edit probably. Yeah, so let's just put this again. Oops. Yep, I think. And yeah, you only have to save it, update the function file, and let's take a look at our page. Okay, let's just copy section and all its content. This one. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at the front end. Oops. Okay, Indonesia. I think my IP is Indonesia, right? My IP. Indonesia, but you can check here maxmine IP look up. Okay, Indonesia. Oh, where is I here? Indonesia. Let's return the here country code and IP. One country code and IP. Indonesia ID, my IP is 202, yeah, something like this. And let's try with the proxy browser. Let's use this aja. I don't have the VPN. Alright, let's use proxy to check whether this function return the correct country or no. Let's use the service proxy site.com. Let's use the US server first, and let's load the page. It said the Canada, right? So the Canada is on US, I think, probably on US continent here. But let's change to the EU. EU is Europe. This should be changed into one of the Europe country, probably should be. Let's take a look. France. Okay, yeah, I think that's this function is work. Now we're gonna create element and then set the conditional logic to that. Let's say what section? Let's say the basic text. So make it condition, make this basic text showing up if the current user is from Indonesia. So hello, Assalamualaikum Indonesia. Okay, yes. Right. So let's use a country code. Let's set the conditional and dynamic data echo return if ID, and then let's show this if let's say France. Oops, Indo. France. So if the country code is FR, France. Let's change the text to hola. I'm not sure what is the language for greeting in the France language, but anyway, let's save it and let's see. Let's check again. Let's hope that the IP address doesn't change. We'll use France. Okay, hola France. Okay, nice. And if I use my own IP address, it's this text will showing up, so something like that. Alright, so I think that's all. You can copy the code from my website here, but make sure to register first for free to get the access to the code. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you on the next video. Bye bye.